Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by committing a short sprint, set a 25-45-minute timer, and work with focus. First, gather 4 labeled bins: keep, donate, trash, relocate. This prevents decision paralysis. Once done, pick one visible surface and remove obvious trash and misplaced items. Make quick decisions, not perfect ones. You do this to build momentum. Early wins help you continue. Make sure to handle anything urgent now, dirty dishes, spills, or safety hazards, then return to systematic sorting. Once surfaces are clearer, you move into deep sorting. Define functional zones, work, rest, storage, and limit each to 1 or 2 purposes. Then sort by category, not by where items sat. Gather all cables, papers, or clothes together so you can assess volume and value. You should use clear bins, vertical organizers, and labels to make retrieval fast. As you work, test placement. If something disrupts flow, relocate it immediately. This stage prevents shuffle and creates lasting order. You finish by returning relocated items to their proper rooms and committing. Donate or trash without second guessing. Then, wipe down surfaces, vacuum or sweep, and position frequently used items within arm's reach for daily ease. Once done, take a quick walkthrough and adjust one small thing. This reinforces the system. If things go wrong and you feel overwhelmed, pause and remove a single category to restart, or set a 10-minute timer and knock out just one task. Small wins rebuild momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.